Yo guys, what is up? Jawnes here, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the CE-32930-7 error code that might occur on your PS4 when you're trying to start an application or launch a game and you get this "an error has occurred" message or cannot start the application. First of all, whichever game you are playing on your system, always make sure it's up to date, because it might be due to a update error. For example, in Warzone there's mid-season updates that allow you to open the game without actually playing it, so make sure that you do all the updates all the time. Next thing to do is to actually delete the saved data of the game and reinstalling it. For example, let us say we have the application save data management. Whether you save them, for example, on a USB storage device, or if you have a PS Plus subscription and you upload them to online storage, make sure you copy all your saved data or upload them online, and then go ahead and actually delete the saved data that you have on your storage for the game that is not working or the application, and then go ahead and either copy it again from the USB or go ahead and download it. If you have it on PlayStation Plus, choose this one, and if you have it on a USB, insert the USB again into your PlayStation and then copy from the USB storage device so that you have your update back. Now if this doesn't work, also copy the saved data. Always have a saved copy, whether it's online or on your USB, and go ahead and delete the game that is not opening. When you delete the game, you're going to have to reinstall it again and do the download. If it's a CD, it doesn't matter, it will take a few minutes. If you have to download the game all over again, make sure that you can actually download 80, 100 or even 120 gigabytes depending on the game. And this is what you need to do before trying to relaunch the game. Of course, that is if restarting the system did not work for you. Finally, what I would recommend you to do is to go ahead, turn off your PlayStation 4. If you try to delete the game and then reinstalling it and then it also didn't work, go ahead and turn off your PS4. When you are here on our PS4, once it's off, what you need to do is to hold down the power button for like 5 to 7 seconds until you hear 2 beeps. So when the light is off, I'm gonna hold my finger. You're gonna keep holding the power button and then you hear the second beep. This means that your PlayStation 4 will go into rest mode. So there you go, it will say connect the DualShock 4 using a USB cable, so you can't really see it right now, but go ahead and connect your controller and then press the PS button. Once you do so, go ahead and choose rebuild database. If you rebuild the database, the PlayStation 4 will restart by itself after rebuilding the database, and you basically try to relaunch the game again. And as if you're actually desperate and there's no other solutions, the last thing you can do is to go ahead and initialize your PS4 or reset the PS4 in a way that you will lose everything and you will have to re-download everything and re-sign into your accounts. You will lose your saved recordings if you have some, so always make sure you copy them on a USB device or something. But if that's, actually use this one as a last resort if nothing else is working. And yeah guys, this has been it for the video. I hope it was helpful for you, and if one of the methods actually worked, make sure that you let me know in the comment section down below, and use the comment section to help yourself. And also don't forget to leave a thumbs up on the video. And right here we are seeing the system, it's rebuilding the database. It should maximum take like 1 minute to do so. If it takes a lot of time, you know there's something wrong with your system and you might want to have it check it out. But if not, rebuilding the database will be just fine. Your system will restart and then you'll try to play the game again. And this has been it for this video. See you next time. Peace.